Welcome, in front of me is REALME P3 Lite, and in this video I will show you what to do if you forgot the lock screen password to your smartphone. In such case, the best decision would be to reach out to REALME Customer Support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, for example the receipt from the store where you bought this device, or maybe the original box from it, they will most likely be able to help you out with your problem and will help you regain access to your device without removing any personal data from it. But in case you cannot provide this kind of information to them, or this option is simply unavailable for you for any other reason, the other solution remaining is factory reset operation. So in order to perform a factory reset operation on this device, which will of course remove all data from it, but it will let you regain access to your device immediately once you set it up as a new smartphone. So the first way to perform factory reset operation is remotely, and to do this remotely you just have to use any other device with internet connection, and you also have to have the Google account set up on this device, so Google account linked to this device. Open the web browser on any other device and find this Find Hub service by Google, enter it, and once you enter it, sign into it using your Google account that is linked to your REALME, and then go to your devices list by tapping right here. And once you are on your devices list, just find your REALME on the list, tap on it, and then you're gonna be able to see the factory reset option either on your devices page, or if you tap the gear icon in the top right corner, it will surely be there. So just tap on factory reset and wait for your smartphone to be fully reset. Once this happens, you'll be able to set it up as a new smartphone. But if you don't have a Google account set up on your device, you can also perform the factory reset operation locally. To do that, you have to enter the recovery mode. If you need some guidance on how to enter the recovery mode, how to perform factory reset operation using recovery mode, we have such video on our channel, so if you need that, go ahead and check it out. And for this video, before I finish, I will consider one more possibility, is that if you do remember your password but you just cannot access your device using it because your smartphone simply doesn't accept your password, well, in such case, maybe there is some third-party application working in the background and affecting the way your lock screen behaves, and to prevent the third-party applications to work in background, you have to enter safe mode on your device and then try to re-enter your password there. Now, to enter the safe mode, press the power button and volume up key at the same time until you see the power options. Swipe to restart, and then wait until your device turns off. And once your device turns off, wait until you see the REALME logo on your screen, then hold down the volume down key and wait until your device vibrates. Once your device vibrates, you can release the volume down button and then just wait until your device boots up. Okay. And once your device boots up into the safe mode, you will be able to see this indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. So now, once you are in the safe mode, try to re-enter your password. And in case you succeed this time, swipe down the control center twice and then tap the gear icon. Now, once you are in settings, go to security and privacy, go to device and lock, screen lock. Mistouched. Okay, and re-enter your password once again for the last time, and then tap none, delete, and then just restart your phone once again, and once your device is restarted, you'll be able to use it again. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.